All right, Rob Sechin, is he right? Is it time to de-risk?
I think we could get a pause. I think we could get a sell-off, but I think that's kind of getting too cute from my perspective. Of course, the Delta variant's taking center stage, but we think it's delayed and not derailed the economic recovery. There's implications of delaying the economic recovery because you still have these labor shortages and bottlenecks, especially because most of this is happening in the EM. And it really puts upward pressure on price and inflation. The market didn't care about what happened yesterday, the GDP miss. I mean, you had energy, financials, and materials lead the way, Scott. So underneath all that, you can explain the miss due to the pandemic. And if you look at the UK as a proxy, you saw big spikes in June. Now the infection rates are decelerating now. And the important thing is hospitalizations are down 95%. Certainly, if you look at EM, where the vaccination rates are much lower, it's certainly going to delay them a lot longer. But ultimately, this plays out in a slower way than it did before. The biggest worry I have is really once inflation expectations go higher and they start to persist, you have inflation. And so I think intermediate term, I suspect that we might see some volatility around news around inflation, interest rates, Delta variant. But as we get through this, what you're going to see is an incredible reopening trade. And so the way we're addressing things is in the high earnings risk stocks, which are mainly in tech. We're being a little more cautious, and we're doing exactly what Shannon said, which is we're taking advantage of the volatility we're seeing in the cyclical stocks. And if you look at yesterday, it looks like everybody else is too.
Well, let me ask you this.
I don't think people buy that.
Let me ask Jason Snipe this. So if the Delta variant, if nothing else, makes people nervous, Jason, and it keeps people from putting money in the so-called epicenter stocks or more cyclically natured names. And in the meantime, you also lose the mega cap techs as people question the growth trajectory, certainly from a sales standpoint for all of those stocks. What takes the market higher?
Yeah. So I think there's a lot to download here. Obviously, Miner made some interesting comments. Yeah, so with the Delta variant, yeah, I think that is concerning. But again, 50% of the population of the U.S., I should say, is vaccinated. There was a GDP mess that Rob just mentioned, that the market absorbed very quickly. The jobs numbers weren't great. But what I would say is we can't fight the Fed. The Fed will continue to stimulate the markets until this jobs market gets better. And that's likely going to happen in September when I think we return to work and return to everything. So I think when that happens and when we enter into that season, I think that's the catalyst for the next leg higher from here.